JavaScript Object Notation or JSON is a preferred data interchange format for web applications and web services. To use data from JSON in C#, we deserialize it or read JSON and transform it to C# objects. So we need classes with properties that represent the JSON properties. In this video, we are going to review how to generate the C# classes based on JSON properties. Let's copy the JSON fragment to the clipboard. In Visual Studio, create a class. Remove its content. And from the edit, paste the special. Choose Paste JSON as classes option. Visual Studio will create classes. This feature has been available from Visual Studio 2013. In VS Code, first we need to install the Paste JSON as code extension. Let's create a new file and invoke the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Command+Shift+P on Mac. Choose Paste JSON as code and select your preferred programming language. Here we select C#. The extension generates the classes along with some additional helper functions. Hope you enjoyed this video. I am Mohammad Sahebhonar and thanks for watching.